Hello, welcome to Springboard, where we make your data make a difference. In this video, you will learn how to create folders, move products into their appropriate folder, and classify products using the hierarchy tool. Okay, let's begin. Hierarchies are made by creating folders at various levels. To create a new folder, right-click the folder that you want to add a new one to and click Add Branch. Fill in the short and long description. They do not have to be the same. You do not need to fill in the code section because the code is generated automatically. For this video, I will call this Category A and press Save. You can see that Category A has been added. I'm going to create a second branch, Category B. Both folders are on the same level, Level 2, as the root folder is Level 1. I'm also going to add an Ignore folder to this level. You can use this folder to add products that you do not care about or do not want to classify now. This folder becomes extremely useful when you are exporting the hierarchy and only want to export specific products. However, we will discuss this in more detail in the next video. Now, I want to add a segment. So I'm going to do the same thing as before, but instead of selecting the root folder, I will add a segment to Category A. Right-click Category A. Let's call it Segment 1. I'm going to create another one and call it Segment 2. Now we have created two new levels of the hierarchy. Category A and B are Level 2, and Segment 1 and 2 are Level 3. Now that we have created folders for products, we need to classify them. There are 3 different ways of classifying and moving products into the appropriate folder. We will discuss 2 ways in this video. For the third way to classify products, check out our video called Classifying Products using Microsoft Excel. The first way is to select the specific product and drag it to the folder you want it in. Click Move. You can use this method to move multiple products that fall one after the other by selecting the first product, holding Shift, and selecting the last product you want to move. Then drag and drop. To move products that do not fall one after the other, hold down the Control button and select as many products as you want. Then drag the items into the appropriate folder. If you do not see your changes, refresh the hierarchy by clicking the Springboard logo. The second way to classify products is to right-click on the item you want to move, click Move to Selected Path, and choose where you want it to go. You can do this for multiple products too. In addition to sorting products into their appropriate folders, another way to classify products is to add characteristics. Each product has unique characteristics that do not necessarily fall under a hierarchy. For example, 2 products can be red in color, but one belongs to Category A and one to Category B. This is where you would use characteristics to define color. I'm going to rename the first 2 characteristics Color and Flavor by clicking the name and entering a new one. Press the check mark to save your changes. Then, save again in order to update the entire hierarchy. Now, when another product is opened, the first 2 characteristics are Flavor and Color. I'm going to enter red into the color section and cherry into the flavor section, and always save after. This concludes the video. To learn about the different exporting options and the third way to classify products using Microsoft Excel, check out the other videos we have made on the hierarchy tool. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please contact us. Making your data make a difference.